Okay, today I'm gonna show you how to fix on the wall a piece of wood which is going to function as the base for the sink. And what you need is the piece of wood. I choose this piece of a wood which is called acacia. It's more or less 3 centimeters tall, which is something that I wanted, and it's a really solid piece of wood. So what you're going to need is the table that you will install. You're going to need a detector for cables. You're going to need a pen to mark the holes, of course. You also need the hangers, and for this project you have to have a hanger which is reinforced. Do not buy the ones that comes only with that, because this will not hold properly all the weight of the wood. You need this is a masonry tool. It's a tool for making walls, but it's basically a long piece of wood covered by metal, which is totally straight, so this will allow us to measure the leveling properly.